Yeah.
That's will be a nyabutre.
Since the one I tell them, say, Asantehene Odobroni Bibia to be a nyabutre.
A person never drew here.
Yum.
Me no be na me interview, no cranny.
Sister Hosea, never look at anyone. Odobroni Tabi, no crack, not to be there.
A baby so any himself name will be this when you're to me some politics and to the house with the Miss Macquaza.
Or if one else were any seven. Now be somebody, I'm a young tea when to me, also the high and some of the every day on my quanta. This is what this will be.
Say Sampa,
Young,
I carry
young,
want you a hawk.
young,
I said that I said, and what you the security.
young,
Regional Minister or what lawyer was sim no more. There's a regional minister, it's what they are cutting and in all years.
Young. So Sampa, your cousin of you, I don't know, no, I don't know when you're the cousin. I can't be said the night, some of the home moves of with the house of Holy Beer. Some minister, we don't know. No one is somebody, lawyer was soon. To a minister, I say that said, a whole room, somebody said, those who said, not the piano, who doesn't give you the same.
I tried to talk about them, the room. I said, what the assembly answered you.
Young, so don't let the call them said, some security, some honey. So I said, yeah,
and I had to need now make come once a month.
so then, I become once a so we get me near the
When you debray now from MST in the past.
Simple bread in fear now, pet, for the city, but young.
I ever any account.
Sitting never heard. So some back, the lady I know will be a training.
The outcome will be a Marenius.
So now, the problem is say, fear don't know soon. If you are not going to know,
Right, I was on for me church. You'll be a main and Wakaba, and about by Grace TV. So you made one fish up, a fish say, Nyame, Abba, Abeshe, near Fra Dumu Quadum, Asher Radius, we stood the enemy. I mean, I was young Mr. Send the Dick and I'll watch on this one, not subscribe, my man. Now, for what notification, now I share. I'm off from so any be a share. You can Becca and I'm not brother, and Asanteman Council, share with the chatwell, our film, a course of Mr. America. Oh, man, she got to coffee, and I was young. I said, you know, a bra or any. Na no nyina tena ase no he de nse beto dwa efa sampa sabi hansem kakra ya anka eni kwa nkra se ba nanso aba ya he ne kwa chemu se okobuno mantam no sampa wom na wo jama enough mensin no mu a sabi regional minister ya wo ho mantam no musuafo wapɛ kwan bi so de ho afore amanyos hansem no mu ama amanyosem di bi a wanya nti wo de ataifa bi achi e wo sampa nsensem no nyina ka ho bi na ama de yehu na busua eba asa bebre na ekere ma dwen de fa ho na ya me adom kotoko ne wonka bibia akwa Mr. Beka ya intercept yen saka krata bi ya krata na ye krata regional minister mantam no musu afọ ya obuno mantam o twere ye e de call aban mu enkran e de bi koma e de police mpanyimfo de bi koma osu afọ ya on the interior minister of interior hon sensem so e de bi call REGSEC regional security council obuno mantam no de bi call fanyina e de bi call jama enough mensin no na hinko ni sampa aban kra chipa ni won so de bi koma no ya ni na ekwan anase o de no for nsem no mu pe kwan bi so esi na samba Gyafla ya otoso mi ni sampa manhene ekwan awa mamani amane ene mo ese fata se so ye ebo amane kuro tumpon ne bi ka Asanteman ene Ghana nyina nti ampa ye bekin kan krata ewie be unsa ampa kotoko hina asem o kan no sebi ohine no ni de oka ye ntima o kan sansem na krata ne yemfa nto so ye na ntempa ye nto ye bo ase kan na hye nso se unim se bra sampa nsensem no na ekọ court na fe the original House of Chiefs omo ejina fa na fe na samba Gyafla e de omo ejina court no the original minister Sisia Bono region honorable lawyer Akwabwe ono na ye bedanim ya original the mother Bono original House of Chiefs it's not an interested party I was Sampa so but no kwad ye senka ya to abawie na aban aba na aban yi so abaye mantam no so for there for the interest of all people irrespective of their affiliation orientation or whatever and sabre no ka dibra na was a lawyer okudjem di ma fa bi no and the why ye ya obesom eye oman ni ko nyina but then akwakoye bo activity until the young krata nim you can we abeti ase krata ye krata sampa manhene e di kan twede koma oppose mpanyinfoɔ sɛ obedi dwumadie wɔ Sampa ɛna sɛ de abere biara nanom edi wɔ dwumadie no ɔbɛyɛ dwumadie bi a ɔne apolisifoɔ nya nkabom sɛ ɛbɛyɛ biara bɛyɛ asomdwe ɛna ɛma apolisifoɔ nso ɛde krataa bɛdan REGSEC panyin nso Regional Security Council no regional minister ɛna dan no nti kɔ the Bono Regional Security Council the Bono Regional Minister honourable lawyer Kwabo ɛna dan no ti apolisifoɔ de bɛdan no sɛ sei na ɛbɛkɔ so wɔ Sampa na ɛbɛdi dwumadie bi ti ohia bɔmbɔfoɔ ti wodan ano nti no makwan na ne yɛntimi mu ɔmo bia nyɛ bɔkɔ na yɛnhwɛ ɛno akyi na krataa wɔ regional minister ne twɛɛ ɛde bi kɔ aban mu ɛkɔma Minister of Interior ɛde bi kɔma IGP ɛde bi ba the Regional Security Council kyerɛ sɛ wɔn mo ɛka ho nyinaa members nyinaa ɛde bi kɔma the Deputy Regional Police Commander ɛna ɔde bi nso kɔma aban crash panyin yɛ a ɔwɔ Sampa kyerɛ German North District Assembly etu de yɛnwɛm tu hwɛ krataa na ɛda hɔ no ɔsɛ Regional Security Council REGSEC resolution on entry of Nana Samba Gyafla&Asanteman in Sampa on 15th November 2025. The kratai 12th November no tray and now here now also Regional Coordinating Council Republic of Ghana and the Tifia San Medical say Regional Security Council REGSEC resolution on entry of Nana Samba Gyafla&Asanteman in Sampa on 15th November 2025. Now say Regional Security Council Regional Minister Dano the Bambofo in Akobem Krum fans bi ho ya dinga fa Nana Samba Gyafla oba Sampa Bosumi du baako ne de to so dunu ana ɔkɔ Sampa na yɛntie ɔse yɛnwɛm ɔse the Bono Regional Security Council REGSEC at its emergency meeting held on Wednesday 12 October 2025 discussed a letter brought to its attention by the Ghana Police Service reference STC/V0L1 that's volume 1/40 indicating an intended entry of Nana Samba Gyafla&Asanteman to Sampa on the 15th November 2025 and also to hold a traditional council meeting in his private residence on the 17th November 2025. Then I said, Oshima Bono Regional Security Council, Bambo Fompe Info, ya Regional Minister Dano, so Bahama Smuja Babono Mantel no. Or we put Punusia moon, I Ukiada, Bosumi Dunu, that also do me no, our film Pimiano, and yet 12 October 2025. Now, and I'm drinking Kratabia. Ababeka on Wednesday free Ghana opposite for Akache. Did you only 1 year opposite for Akache or Bromanton Makache? Ya na kata ni mwinsi na nse Sampa mine na Samba Gyafla to sumi no. Episode oba Sampa sabi 15th November 2025. Na oba 15th November 2025 na nam yenu achi sabi na nsa achi 17th November 2025 no. On na max on so na ye Sampa mine no was ya che ni gura se ya mamrete na ni rage na tumu na mramu so yetin tim na ne din akọ National Register of Chiefs mu ni agazati ni no. Obedu Sampa 15th November now on the 17th of November Obe traditional council meeting was Sampa. The letter also requested for police protection for the said Nana Samba Gyafla&Asanteman to enter Sampa and provide security to hold its traditional council meeting on the 17th of November 2025 at his private temporary residence. That's a temporary palace. Okay. And there's a character and when regional minister, a character here about Bontin, free REGSEC, regional minister Dano HM say, Sa character no if you post for catch with you and someone I na Samba Gyafla Sampa mine, Eba Sampa no be traditional council meeting. No. Sa character no more working kaya, or who say na Samba Gyafla to me Sampa mine. Esre say or pe pose for bambo. And so I have for the media be a post for Bob Bines, say, Bear, Ubia may Numa and Senfata, Ubia may be a behatching. The crater and answer my father told him, say, or purpose for Bambo Pa. At the amount no, and a fate, traditional council meeting, or that's why I'm minding to that time, we never be share, no more drinking Sampa on, or being a post for Bambo, and so on your back. I feel just be more say. The REGSEC has considered the already fragile situation. The REGSEC has considered the already fragile security situation at Sampa and the implications that the intended visit and the holding of the traditional council meeting can create. That's a Regional Security Council. Normal share Sebi Sampa Asunje ehun sensem akwa atwe kakra afei bambo sensem ya emuayele kakra eno mo hu se Sebi ekoba traditional council meeting ekoso ewo Sampa oyi na de bakata and the women Americans no na for to also say the REGSEC has also taken into consideration all the intelligence received and the tension the intended entry and holding of traditional council meeting by Nana Samba Gyafla&Asanteman is bringing to Sampa and have resolved as follows. Now, so REGSEC no na atnasi adwendwen ho and afei omo che se ensem bi omo tete to form intelligence omo gada any ade nyina kokowie se Sebi Nana Samba Gyafla eba Sampa ebia traditional council meeting ya ebia na echina bi betimi de ha kakra ne amane kakra ban ne nyina na mo dwendwen ho a na mo arrive at a certain conclusion. The conclusion be na mo arrive ye ebra sebi na na de beto onu say ohia bambo na be traditional council meeting hintie di kan na wo hwe ba bi ku yakenka o say for the said Nana Samba Gyafla on say o ka say for the said Kwabena Wusu for the said Akwasi Mensa I say obi a wonhyɛ da enim ne dibre na bi a asɛ ha o kyerɛ mu sɛ but yi nyinaa enim the regional minister ɔyɛ lawyer yɛ enim sɛ Ghana mmara mu ɔhene so akyerɛ ne wura ne tintim ne din wɔ nkrataa mu a yɛtwe tum prɛko pɛ sɛ wɔn na yɛ ɔhene yɛ Sampa manhene so yɛ tintim ne din wɔ National Register of Chiefs yɛ gazette no ama mmara mu ɛsɛ bibia mu yɛtwe tum sɛ wɔn na yɛ Sampa manhene nti a lawyer like a regional minister now because they said Nana Samba Gyafla said yɛ asɛ ɔnhyɛ da nim ne dibre ne yɛ ɔbra because you know him sense we buy no a lawyer at the mother Bono Regional House of Chiefs. It will be the that sentiment no e wonu mo anti empo the bra wa benya sabre ya gas wo hwese pepepe no be ho ama all manner of persons irrespective of obi affiliation no sa interest na that wonu mu enti o hear the tone of the message kwa sanity na the to wo asebusua afi o se o mo conclusion bi aha o mo conclusion but it any say work or say fragile situation or some security near the ade but abrebia sa modua ni din ne krata bia mu yenyi ntum se wo hene no otimi ko edwumade bia na regional minister fa krata ma abonten be ka say fragile situation or some security and attention na ye na betimi dia ba but Nana Samba Gyafla what side dia check kotoko hene ya say dia mameche or Sampa man ene dia na ohene nso agina tum na fe ni dia contract mu no only obey traditional council meeting said ye hye sebi amanhene ene nanom se de bia wonsi anwenwe wo man ho no matankunya emra ema kwan na Ghana ye customary laws tum no regional minister security mu sensemuti na Samba Gyafla traditional council meeting obey no Sampa na ema wonye now the inrem to so mu nyina keka bo mu a ene come to a conclusion the kind or say, based on the intelligence and the fragile security situation in Sampa, the maiden entry of Nana Samba Gyafla II to Sampa be suspended until further advised by REGSEC. Let's say, or no regional sanctuary say, or more observation be on my year, and some more matters and some more born to know. Nana Samba Gyafla, Sampa ya oba, abeye, traditional council meeting at the end. And now find train or Kata ya was in November more last month. The on say asema kotoko ene kan na no dwata. Ewo menhia kotoko fi na fi what ya say. Regional minister na trace akata and say Nana Samba Gyafla Sampa man meeting oba be traditional council meeting. Na oba Sampa no ebo ne krom no. On twentwen so. I asemo. All the ento so. Yes, on twentwen so akopem bra REGSEC no regional security council no regional minister da no. Ebe won say bi akwan mu adan afia na namra meye. But we all know the position of the regional minister with respect to Sampa and Sensem. Open secret. Yes, after it was we must say the REGSEC cannot provide the REGSEC cannot provide any form of security for Nana Samba Gyafla to enter Sampa and hold his maiden traditional council meeting at any point in time until REGSEC otherwise decides based on the security situation. And the regional security council, regional minister down on me, Ghana for tour. The regional minister is now card, the regional minister, or Yakobo account will ya of mine hene Ghana magic customary laws to was actually ni kro ne education nsa no o se won na tsan kunye bi sha ba dwendwen Sampa man puntu ho ne bi aka Ghana man na regional minister say ontimi infa provide security bia teni o regional minister say ontimi provide any form of security emfa ma Nana Samba Gyafla ema ne ma Sampa ema traditional council meeting at any point in time ontimi nye bi bia sa be kopem bra ono regional minister ne REGSEC ono da no ebe hu se bia sa bre de Nana timi bre ye nti on twen akopem ebra no so omo che se omo hye da ma any final time a ono regional minister no ne sebi empanyimfo aka be hu se ekwan mu da omra ma meeting omo hino na bisa regional minister mesrem kai ni kuro hu en ekwa traditional council meeting a wojima ka che ni kuro hu menim kuro free so there but me gidi say ye dia ofri kuro bi mu ni kuro ofri mu so hene wo hono se ni kuro hu na ekwa traditional council meeting adwendwen o man no mpuntu no man kan kuro ho a wojima ka che ni kuro hu se twen kopim say meet me provide security ma abusa ya tin say na say we dey ento aso after say the twa ensunu mukura and you say should Nana Samba Gyafla defies the resolutions herein contain and enter Sampa, he does so at his own risk and shall be responsible for all the consequences of his entry therefrom. Abusa mama says to be say should Nana Samba Gyafla defies the resolutions herein contain and enter Sampa, He does so at his own risk and shall be responsible for all the consequences of his entry therefrom. Let's say, Sansa more original Security Council, originally Sadano Akakanano, or the Okawi, or Casan train, or want to provide security be a man, and also Becca will be himself. Secobas and Samba Jafla, as there be regional ministers want to provide security be a man, and things now Beco accreditation council meeting in the and the Okwa or no one ekro, Asimbia bar or no, and normally be I was telling you, yes. I'll say he shall be responsible for all the consequences of his entry therefrom. Let's say, we hear the tone of regional minister through the REGSEC. Kalecha Sampa mine or hina tse kunyaso. Sebi, and yaw hini be ake kese mine hini moa. A gazetted paramount chief of Ghana margin to Nakacha and says, or I say, Yakasi Yaman security be a name or Casa or Beko. Accurate traditional council meeting in there, and yet, or how be a near money be channel, on beholding responsible. Look at the tone of this regional minister actually come out. Nana Sampa mine. But it was be more say. In view of the foregoing, and in order not to disturb the security, peace, and calmness that is prevailing in Sampa now, Nana Samba Gyafla II intended visit to Sampa would derail the efforts made to keep the peace of the area, and the said entry should be restrained since the REGSEC cannot guarantee his safety in any way and form. It was a and now sans and say we are bobo sui any adina na fe and I'm say omon pesa asmudwe or Sampa asmudwe or Sampa ho ento atwe na nkofo ha ne amane ma no betimi abo asmudwe pepepe ye ho ban ti no na Samba Gyafla sabi ne kuro Sampa person obem no there be omo ema kwan ema na ema sa omo mpene ema na Samba Gyafla ema Sampa said they were the Kiakana until when a REGSEC na bepe kwan bia so restrain e be sin na Samba Gyafla kwan say be ya oma Sampa ema traditional council meeting bia na say wono akra mani kuro mu Sampa esan say wo mu ntimi en guarantee ni safety oba Sampa omo sabio REGSEC ya jami sadano na all the security agencies wo mantam no mu wo mu na di yen ye to ne ti omo ka no na o man hene mragine to no mu ntimi emo no ho ban ti oba Sampa na bibia bisia and your no answer. There is a letter the regional minister REGSEC to the regional minister. Yes, as a regional minister to the REGSEC, you know back and say regional security council, the regional minister and Dano and okay, can I also dutifully submitted for your attention. Akrata we are the REGSEC no at the bar bonten and as much the command penny for bino. Yentu your boss and yourself are there aqua honorable signature and a regional minister on the tray, chairman of REGSEC. And our trainer or the big command, the national security coordinator, national security secretary, and one kind, or the big command, a command, you. And of course, I check out the command, interior minister. I've been the honorable minister of interior, on one kind, honorable Muntaka, or the big commander. After we trade be a copy be the command, the inspector general of police, Ghana Police Service, IGP, Ira Yohono, on his trade cartai, a copy be at the commander. After or science will be copy the deputy secretary or Sampa Zanzana on the Osana Samba Gyafla and Sakebi. And also I tribute you. I command the deputy regional police commander in charge of operations at Sampa, Ghana Police. It was big command police for deputy regional police commander on in charge of operations for Sampa. Also the big commander. And also I did become the district chief executive, Jama enough on the Sampa and the district capital for Jama enough. To attribute command bank crash paying over. And also actually with all REGSEC members, regional security council members nina or try to come on. I said Obu Browson. Ya Katawi, Kata or tray at the command paying for winina. Said Dintia on penny or not as a regional minister. And the REGSEC on one penny man and Samba Gyafla, Emma Sampa, and made traditional council meeting. But there was a young beside home. Young come a quencher home. I believe who said the other faction, some would ya echo Sampa. A year meeting, the opposite way be our home. But regional minister Enfa Kata Bia Marbontin Emeka so some meeting club branch and ye no ebia emra ma ho kwan sa anase sabe Sampa situation o wonti omon pene ma kwan ebi ho nam krom ehu samodi anam krom na branch e krokro to di nachi enam krom koba eke kansem cheche se to ayampia kansem a eye ensem a kasatwitwe ni ade ni nyina akoso a time without number but the regional minister entimi enka bibia mfa ho however ono sambodu ano a sabi oni na Samba Gyafla na o masemba onye kese enim na nanu mi access ema nanu ebu customer arbitration na nanu mi ebu asem no ema ekoba ase sambodu ye onye this year na na se odi akuya nyi nemum sabi afafro ya this year na aka mu kuyi na Samba Gyafla ba ye no ono timi wura konum eye de ope yeah, regional minister, yeah, on also yeah, oh, yeah, head of REGSEC, and the Minister Security, intelligence, yeah, also the gather intelligence, and tell you on gather who she in fact, but the ono chrono, a mamma money more than my hand, I'm margin to, a mamma managing to. Now, no ban at Kunyabisiano. What the character by said, a man on na bambɔ ho nsɛnsɛm ne adeɛ nti wɔkɔ kurom a wɔntumi guarantee ne safety biribiara si abɔ no responsible wowie yɛ anso a ɔtwe akarata no bi de kɔma a national security coordinator ɛwɔ nkran ɔsan twerɛ bi de kɔma a the minister of interior ɛwɔ nkran IGPs wɔde bi kɔma no ɛde bi kɔma a deputy secretary ɛwɔ Sampa ɛyɛ na Sampa Gyafla ne deputy secretary ɛde bi kɔma a the deputy regional police commander a ɔwɔ Bono mantam no mu yɛ a na ɔwɔ Sampa saa abere no afei in charge of operations at Sampa, they become not they become DC. A bank crash paying or Sampa, German North, not to become all REGSEC members. They will say, Nano, Mr. Mika, Asanteman, Council Day Chato, Kotokohene, Ekasa, I say, Mr. Mika, Sabi, a bank as Manta Musa for Obono, or Nam Amanyosemu, any maybe was Sampa and some more, or any Ankanasa in your soul, and what dancing even with Yamadi Abba, Abetron. There be asking with Mekan, but Bisa say, and say, and a gun and penny for Mr. President, Wadaroma, and in penny for Waka. Regional minister our power no say on some the good people of Blue region no the ekos me menim say one who be watching me and Mr. President I know so all respect pa e the mamara amamre ni amane e de na mara ne ka fa hinsem ho e de na amamre ka fa hinsem chieftaincy act we can say ohene ene de ye no ya fa amamre kwan so yi no na we go through all the processes sabi niwra ho a so ya che niwra the coordination say na man ye hene and between Nana Sampa Gyafla ya Samudia why na yehene why na yeyi na mamere kwan so sabi ebra na nya aka asem nyina wie kotokofi na Samudia no ho bi ne mpanyifo na aka bi no yetu ma mpanyifo atankuna so omo ankoyi omo de hye mra na atankuni na akokko yi omo de hye baaye nti they selected him duly nominated to the chieftaincy act na kano omo duly nominated na Sampa Gyafla mamere nya amane kwan so and if mamere nya amane nyina mu e ma go through all the processes that they culture city I'm basically a training right. When I'm ready to say why mine I was Sampa. Yeah, I'm nationals of chiefs. I gazette now. Did you be naka? Yeah, for a very long time now. I am sure my sons and some in Ekoso. And then 19th December 2025. Abusia and then in film you prepare yeah Sampa mine and Mr. Eba Kotokofi be so 2 years after swearing the oath of allegiance to the king of Ashanti Kingdom. A besine maintain one sit that's why honum. Enko sit that pay. About that breso. Omo hyase nneoma ye dia besine eguso ekoso saa enti sabi yentimi nka no kwen kyerɛ ho ema yemfa mra anya adwuma ema asomdie ma Sampa once and for all na woni ade omo for nsɛm yem put you to the task ye sabi enti ye de to omo ka ti de sase wo ye bibi no wonyɛ no Ghana mari ni na emu ama asomdie ma misɛ mpanyifo beti na wotu ho na mo na bo pepepe ya ba na asomdie aba Sampa na bibi ato atwa nti abusia ohene kasa ya na itase wo ho ohene kasa ya na enchemu ni bi na yenya akwanya ye dia baba so no nti esre honorable regional minister o ho mani pa nyina nti esre wani di ni ambrase kwan so papepe yenya adwuma na sabi ugina afa bi achi bra na asem court and ye etwam sese ye di brefo from our debra na oso mai na onsum fa bi ti papepe ye enya adwuma wai wadaroma na Ghana man nyina ehwe dia ekoso e wo Sampa buzuya wo dia kwekwan de beso me da asesa mo jebre ehwe kaisi nyame adoma bronyen on the 3rd of January Kwabu Dumanafo, one of the youngest queens I was Asanteman. Odi jumadi so kopa, jumadi ya odi nyina ne se esabi ositete nuane ya nanom na womo ede omudie na afia de bi chichire yenkro tete nuane bi a wonim ye bia bra na beye bi e Dumanafo obi ade ato no ya be bo Dumanafo na tumi na ye ni a e bo abaso pa yesika botin ye da so no enye sika keto akwanti misra fa number na etwego no na fra no maksem kunya Dumanafo na we interested in kwa enye se bia we Asantehene kwa bia afri bia okro maduane betumi akọ na akọ yibi na bibia enso aye kama obi to the enterprise bronyan sabi o pata de papa open papa any perfume papa dia mesro e ho ene nyina ye de ani e kire e wo Kumasi South Central Junction ho ne ye kwaje ntade papa ene papa na bibia enso akoya manti mesro fa obi to the enterprise number na no makasa na bibia ankoye from Better Grace Financial Services men kan chiro say Ghana for ya mo America Ghana for yeah, more Canada. Better Grace Financial Services, a intermediary financial group. A fan is Uhia and more. A fan is Usika, Open Insurance Company, we do Habatan now. Contum, yeah, Better Grace Financial Services, or me the number one. Tinimia Mammy, or Henry than acquisition common. Maybe be our inquiry and from our Better Grace Financial Services, not just to say financial freedom for everyone. Only almost use call on Jimu, like about to do baby down here more, but I'm sick of boom the amount. Na Sebi. sika betam de amount tax free to be any umpe we na de na ope ono mo ye adwuma na so na ono mo sie sika na busia ma nso na so me se me kanya me mamusuo ani o ha bi ampare na mom ono mo ye adwuma na ha ne amanye bi ba na bibi nti untimi nya adwuma bi ma busia omo a ebe shock me so obi nyame dia o man so o be hwe o ma ko se o be kosu apo na every umpe we na de na ope better grace financial services so this say financial freedom for everyone financial freedom for everyone abusia bi de ko na usu every time you be here may na ho afisha pa nyame nkan ho makra bye bye